Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come up with a super quick recipe, that is paneer fry. We need just 4 minutes to prepare this. 2 minutes for preparation, 2 minutes for cooking. Let's get started. Here I used 110 grams of fresh paneer that I'm slicing into small rectangular pieces. The thickness is just half centimeter, that's enough. Into another plate, add 1 tablespoon of chilli flakes, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, required amount of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well with your hand. Now coat each paneer pieces with this masala. I feel the masala is little dry, so I am adding just a half teaspoon of coconut oil. You can use your choice of oil. It is done now. If you want to marinate this, you can go ahead and marinate for 10 minutes, but I am directly going to fry it. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. You just turn the pan so that the oil would spread all around. Reduce the flame and add paneer pieces one by one. Fry for just 1 minute and then flip it over. Repeat the same process for the other side also, just 1 minute. So now 1 minute is over. I'm turning to other side. Fry this side also for the same 1 minute. After that, turn off the flame. I turned off the flame and transferring into a serving plate. I learned this recipe from my sister-in-law. It is very delicious and instant recipe. You also try this at home and see how it is. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. Share this with your friends and family. See you again with a new recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.